Hello everyone. Before I get started on this grill for my husband, let's take a look at what is going on in the garden. There are some things that I'm pretty excited about, and mainly it is my transplanted tomatoes. Remember when my husband cut that down? And my beans. You will be amazed at what they look like right now. Come on, let's take a look and see and open up this new greenhouse, okay? Y'all know I'm choosing joy. This is the tomato plant that I stuck back down in my raised bed after my husband came and chopped it off right here. I left this in here and with the hopes of maybe it might grow some more roots and sprout up another tomato plant right there, but no such luck. So now we have agreed that he will not cut around. Oh, look at that. My second snake of the year. Just laying down in there. Look at it. Okay. My green bean plant came back. It's even got a bud on it. Look at it. And this tomato plant is fighting. Remember, we had to eradicate the roly-polies from it because they were just gnawing all over it. Oh wow, things are just showing out in here. I planted some beans and they are coming up. They're looking really good, and this has only been a couple of days. These are going to be my turnips, bunching onions, and I can't remember what this is. I forgot to label it. Dill is about to start coming up. And I only see just a couple of green things right here. Oh boy, this oregano is looking awesome. Awesome, awesome. And my carrots. Carrots are doing awesome. I told my mom I want to get down in there so bad and feel around and see what the peanuts are doing, but I'm gonna resist. I am not a patient person by nature, and through this garden, the Lord is really working with me, and I'm glad at all the progress that's taken place. Now, since I put this blueberry bush inside here and not have to worry about covering it with a net because something's gonna come along and eat it, oh man, it is really flourishing. I have so many blueberries that are beginning to grow here. Blackberries are coming along, almost time to pick one and eat. Love it. However, my eggplant that's doing so well at first, it is not making it inside of the greenhouse. But the one that's in the garden over there, oh man, that thing is showing out. But all the blooms are coming and then they're falling off. It's sad. I don't know if I'm going to get one out of here. So maybe this was not the best thing to put in a container. Here are the eggplant in the garden. So as you can see, they're coming along nicely.